heat is rising extremely every day. I live in Mumbai and the temperature here is skyrocketing. I was looking for some refreshing recipes which will hydrate me in this hot summer. And luckily, Chef Magic has come up with new recipe of the week. I was just going through the Smart Life app looking for some new recipes. I was just going through Cloud Recipes and then I saw a new tab. And that's when I saw a new recipe, which is Sattu Buttermilk. So that's what we are making today, Sattu Buttermilk. Chef Magic को मैंने on कर लिया है and it's completely connected to the Wi-Fi. Along with that, Chef Magic is also connected to the Smart Life app on my mobile phone. This app helps you control Chef Magic from anywhere. As you can see, the tabs on the Chef Magic is also on my mobile phone. Now I'll click on Cloud Recipes. I am searching for Sattu Buttermilk. It comes under Beverages. Chef Magic has an option of syrup and beverages. I'll click that tab. As you can see, on the top it's Sattu Buttermilk. I'll click on the Sattu Buttermilk. There is description given and its nutritional value. And there is ingredient list. According to the ingredient list, I have kept my ingredients ready. As I click Run, as you can see, the step 1 says attach multifunction blade to the cooking jar. Multifunction blade is already attached. Let's add the ingredients. I'll add 3 tablespoons of sattu powder. So I have to put 100 grams of curd, 5 to 6 of mint leaves, coriander leaves, 1 pinch of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. Let's secure the lid. And from my mobile phone, I'll click OK. On the next step, it says add water. Now we have to add 480 grams of water. Let's secure the lid with the measuring cup. And from my phone, I'll click OK. And the app on my mobile phone notifies me the Sattu Buttermilk is already ready to serve.